Okay buyers, here we have another TRS-80 Model 1 system currently working. You can see it there playing a video game. Interrupt it. Supernova, should say. There it goes. Yeah, it's a version of Asteroid. Anyway, this computer system ready to go. It's a basic 16K level 2 tape system. Comes with TRS-80 computer cassette recorder, CTR-80, 120 volt power supply, standard Model 1 monitor, and a nice vintage TRS-80 Model 1 keyboard. It's got a switch up here. It's had the electric pencil lowercase modification done to it. Apart from that, it's a good used system, works well, loads tapes okay. Not much more I can really say about it. Comes with a manual. It's 120 volts from America, which means it needs a small step down transformer like this one. You can buy these on eBay for about 25 bucks each, 23 on a good day, because this system has actually come from the United States, so it's 120 volts, but it's been tested extensively and works pretty well. So any questions, just drop me a line via email or my website, and yeah, let me know if you want to buy it. Thanks for watching.